Hey everyone, so I'm here to show off my first attempt of a wash and go. For years, I never thought I could achieve this style because of my curl type, but I'm here to say that with the right combination of products, it can be done, so stay tuned. So the products I will be using is Giovanni's Direct Leave-In Conditioner, Kinky Curling Custard Gel, Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste, which I will be applying on my edges, and my handy dandy spray bottle. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. I then part my hair into 4 sections. From then I start to spray my hair with my spray bottle to evenly saturate the water into my hair. Then I apply the Giovanni's Direct Leave-In Conditioner onto my hair as a moisture sealant. Then I apply my Kinky Curling Custard Gel as a product to define my curls. A technique that I used with the gel and the deep conditioner is to take my index finger and my thumb and smooth the product onto my hair from root to tip. As I'm gliding the gel and the conditioner onto my hair, I then get to the end of my hair and apply a twirling method onto my hair in order to define that curl. And I apply that method piece by piece onto my section of hair. So as you see, I am going section by section and working the product through with the leave-in conditioner and the Kinky Curling Custard Gel. Now, this process as a whole took me about 45 minutes to apply, but I will tell you all, I was very surprised at the results. So yes, repeat these same steps section by section, strand by strand. So for the front sections of my hair was a little tricky because my curl pattern is a little bit looser in the front, so I definitely had to take my time and work the products through onto my hair. So I got one of my butterfly clips stuck in between my hair while I was sectioning, but you know, that happens. So for those who are wondering why the Giovanni's direct leave-in is still looking white after you apply it, just rest assured that it will disappear as your hair starts to dry. Now that I'm done applying the product to my hair, I decided to tie my hair down with a satin scarf around my edges.
3 hours later.
About 3 hours later, this is the way my hair looks. The ends of my hair, it's fully dry, but my roots are still damp, so I decided to keep my hands out of my hair and to let my hair fully dry, which took about the entire day. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I will encourage you all to comment below, tell me what you think, like and share, and I will see you all in the next video.